Hello, this is Ivan at Revelwood, and I am going to show you a trick to navigate large worksheets and to make your presentations a little bit more interactive. When you are in Excel in a large worksheet or any worksheet, sometimes it is hard to tell where you are, what the active cell is. You can look at the name box up here at the top left. You can see that I am in L19, but that's a little bit tedious to look up there. Well, if you go to the View tab and you click on Focus Cell, what Excel will do is now it'll highlight the active cell with this grid, and you can actually change the color. If you don't like this color, you can click on the little drop down, Focus Cell Color, and change it to something that's a little bit more appealing. And this will make knowing what the active cell and what you're trying to show in a presentation much easier for you and your viewers.